Looking for a trim tab switch that combines precision with a sleek, ergonomic design? This universal fit switch offers exactly that, giving you positive click action for accurate trim tab adjustments every time. Whether you're upgrading your boat or replacing an old switch, this model promises reliable performance without breaking the bank. I recently installed this switch myself and was impressed by how straightforward the process was. The 2.5-hole recommended for installation fits perfectly when made with a hole saw, making the setup quick and hassle-free. Just a heads up, if you're drilling into fiberglass, be cautious with the screws included. The manufacturer's recommended hole size can cause cracking, so I had to increase the drill size twice to avoid damage. Thankfully, the switch's case covered the minor cracks, keeping everything secure and looking sharp. What you get here is a switch that not only looks good but feels solid and responsive under your fingertips. The positive click action means you'll have precise control over your trim tabs, improving your boat's handling and efficiency. Plus, its universal fit design means it's compatible with a wide range of setups, saving you the guesswork and extra expenses on custom parts. If you want a trim tab switch that's economical, easy to install, and built to last, this option deserves a close look. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines carefully for the best fit, and you'll enjoy smooth, confident adjustments on the water. If that's you, give this switch a try when you're ready. It's a practical upgrade that pays off in control and convenience.